Hi everybody, welcome to E! Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Bob Marley's biopic One Love nominated for Best Movie at BET Awards. The nominations, which were revealed sometime last week, sees the Paramount Pictures and Tough Gong production, which chronicles the life of Jamaica's reggae icon Bob Marley, going up against other heavy hitters such as American Fiction, Renaissance, a film by Beyonce, Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse, The Book of Clarence, The Color Purple, The Equalizer 3, and The Little Mermaid. According to Variety magazine, the biopic generated $101.1 million worldwide in only 10 days of hitting the theaters, which breaks down to $61.4 million in North America and $39.7 million from 59 international territories. The film retained the top spot in domestic charts in its second weekend of release. Now, Tyler drops the music video for Jump, featuring Skilly Bang and American rapper Gunna. The South African singer continues to create waves as she debuts the visuals for her viral hit Jump. A fan favorite from the singer's self-titled debut album, the track has sold over 100,000 units in the US and has generated over 500,000 user-generated content on social media platform TikTok. The track earned Skilly Bang his first entry on Billboard's Hot R&B Song Chart, opening at number 14, while debuting at number 6 on Billboard US Afrobeats Songs Chart. American rapper and music producer Sean Diddy Combs is taking full responsibility for physically assaulting his then-girlfriend, Cassie Ventura, in 2016. Now, we have to warn you that what you're about to see is very disturbing, so viewer discretion is advised.
I'm so sorry. But I'm committed to be a better man each and every day. I'm not asking for forgiveness. I'm truly sorry.
The apology, in part, that was posted to the rapper's Instagram page on Sunday. His apology comes following a release of graphic surveillance footage obtained exclusively by CNN, which shows Combs grabbing Ventura, then throwing her to the ground. As she lies on the ground, Combs then kicks her twice and attempts to drag her on the floor in a hallway at a Los Angeles hotel in March of 2016. A lawsuit filed by Ventura in November last year and settled the next day referenced actions that seem to match those seen in this video.
My behavior on that video is inexcusable. I take full responsibility for my actions in that video. I'm disgusted. I was disgusted then when I did it. I'm disgusted now.
According to CNN, Meredith Ferritog, an attorney for Ventura, said in a statement on Sunday following the release of Combs' apology that Combs' most recent statement is more about himself than the many people he has hurt. The Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office issued a statement Friday on the 2016 surveillance video. If the conduct depicted occurred in 2016, unfortunately, we would be unable to charge, as the conduct would have occurred beyond the timeline where a crime of assault can be prosecuted. That's it for E! Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.